DVD. And this is what happens when you watch DVD. It's a movie on a disc the size of a CD. The picture is twice as sharp as VHS. The sound is infinitely clearer. It looks and sounds like you're at the movies, but you can experience it at home. Not to mention, you can watch it in widescreen. Pick your language.
Choisissez votre langue. Escoja un idioma.
Choose from many additional features. Watch a movie right on your computer. And rent or buy DVDs created by these great Hollywood studios. DVD. See how good a movie at home can be.
Yeah. Jake, I'm sending you to New York to make our film. If you lose control, I will have no problem replacing you.
Thank you for your support. I'm completely confused.
Your job is to bend over when we tell you. Get it?
Basically, they just want me to show my tits, right? Shoot 'em, Chief.
This is insane. There's no way I can do this.
You can, and you will.
Let me ask you a question. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Unbelievable.
You think you're in control here?
I've had it. I quit.
Hey, Jake, it's Bono here. How about coming out and doing a little job with us?
Goodbye, Jake.
You run off to Paris. Then you just ring me up and tell me that it's over.
This all boils down to one thing. Stella.
What are you doing, Jake?
Just fix myself a fresh drink is all.
He has lost it. I think we should wake him up and knock some sense into him.
Thanks. Goddamn secondhand smoke was killing me anyway.
This is a truly anomalous formation. It's unlike anything that we've seen so far. We're trying not to go too nuts up here, but we think there's a good chance that this could be water. Of course, if that's correct, then we may have found the key to permanent human colonization.
Yes. Okay, we're ready to light this candle.
Let's go to Mars.
Hey, what the hell is that?
No idea, boss.
Prepare to abandon ship.
For centuries, we've searched for the origin of life on Earth. We've been looking on the wrong planet.
Look, I've never done this before, and I just want you to know I'm not into searching for my inner child or finding out about my disappointment in my mother. Mommy.
Go ahead and wipe your eyes.
Undercover police officer Charlie Mayo is about to take on the last assignment of his career.
Tonight, you're busting a mafia assassin.
The guy's the Jeffrey Dahmer of hitmen.
I'm sick of being a cliche. I need some cash so I can get out of this skinny gangsta movie lifestyle.
And he's looking to relieve a little stress.
I'm going to give you a stronger prescription. Only take one of these an hour before the meeting. You don't want to pass out.
Let's get this party rolling. Bring us some Cristal.
I'm very good at reading what's in a person's eyes.
What did they say?
They say you're sleepy. Maybe you got that weird sleeping disease. Narco sleepy.
But all he really needs is a little human contact.
Take it easy. So where you from? Ireland. Top of the morning to you.
Touchstone Pictures presents.
Put your hand on the table. I won't say it again.
Just paper. Let the neighbor go.
Sports page here.
All I really want to talk about is this amazing woman I met.
What do you say, handsome?
I think somebody up there likes me. She's great. She took me out on a date last night. Night and out for the first time in months. I had fun.
Liam Neeson.
Hello.
This one.
Hello.
Oliver Platt.
I want you to get control of that anger.
And Sandra Bullock.
You think I'm just a nut?
Yep.
Ah, but am I an attractive nut?
Extremely. Who is she? Where'd you meet her? Does she know what you do? No. But I'm thinking of telling her.
Gun shy.
No!
Can you move any slower than this, fellas?
Hi. You must be our new neighbor. I'm Nicholas Ozeransky. Call me Oz.
Jimmy Jones.
Have we met before?
No. I'd remember. I got a thing with faces.
Oh, no.
You all right?
Yes.
You look like you got some gas.
That's Jimmy the Tulip Tedeschi. Jimmy the Tulip was a hitman. Sexy. Sophie, the man's killed 17 people.
Let's go for a drive.
A drive? Look, Jimmy, I certainly don't want to die.
Better get used to it because you're going to.
What?
Everybody dies. Sooner or later.
Jimmy Tedeschi's new friends are hitting on him.
I'm one of your biggest fans. I've been following your career since I was a kid.
She has definite potential.
I've been wanting to meet you for years.
But one of them is hitting a little too close to home.
What got into him?
This is Cynthia, Jimmy's wife.
Oz, we're friends. Friends do not engage in sexual congress with each other's wives.
Have you vomited recently?
A minute ago. I was just going to brush my teeth.
I'll wait.
Okay.
You were right about him. This is one exceedingly sweet man.
I can't think of nothing finer than a fine, naked woman holding a gun.
Bruce Willis.
It's not important how many people I've killed. What's important is how I get along with the people that are still alive.
Matthew Perry.
He's a little upset. I've managed to upset a mass murderer.
Aren't you gonna cry out for help?
Would it do any good?
No.
Time to rock and roll.
In their world,
They're gonna kill you. What?
being yourself
Nobody move.
could get you killed. The whole 9 yards.
Everybody fall in now!
What's going on here?
Hell if I know. Gentlemen, it's our turn.
In the last Great War,
All ahead 2/3.
All head 2/3, huh?
a group of young Americans was sent to overpower a Nazi submarine
The S-33 will rendezvous with a U-boat posing as the German resupply sub.
and steal a secret that could turn the tide of battle.
You'll be all right, son.
Go, 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 go! You get them their damn trophy and you get the hell out of there.
I found it! Hirsch, I think we got the code book!
But just when they thought the mission was over,
Success, gentlemen.
they lost their ride home.
Everybody below deck!
Trapped in an enemy submarine,
I need speed! Everything's in German! I can't equalize the two!
deep in hostile waters.
Incoming! Die! Die!
The key to victory rests with 9 men.
When they realize what you've discovered, they'll send every ship in the Navy to destroy you.
Splashes.
Mary, mother of God.
A story about the courage that wins wars.
Request permission to abandon ship! Not yet, Chief!
And the moments
This is crazy. You're gonna get us killed.
that change history.
We're gonna find out who we are in about 60 seconds.
Fight right now, we die!
U-571. Warner Brothers presents the story of a man who'd do anything for the ones he loved. A moving adventure that'll pull every heartstring. You'll scream. You'll laugh. One family's journey into an amazing world, nominated as the ultimate experience from the acclaimed movie studio.
This is big.
Warner Brothers Movie World.